Discover how a secret, free online tool and a few minutes of simple work will make you an easy $80 to $100 per day. This method is completely newbie friendly, and anyone can use this to start making money today, with zero investment. There's no recruiting affiliates or product creation. You don't need a list to do this either. And the traffic is 100% free and built into this simple system. We decided to release this because we're tired of all the big claims and products out there that make big promises and leave you hanging. This method is real, and it works if you follow the simple steps to success. Just take a look at some of the results with this method below this video. Would making money like this daily change things for you? For most people, an extra $80 to $100 a day would help a lot. How about you? $80 to $100 per day is $2,400 to $3,000 in extra income each month. That could be a car payment plus insurance. It could also be an overdue vacation, money that can be used to pay down some debt, or even a mortgage or rent payment. And although having extra money is great, we're here to tell you that when you start to use this method and you're making $80 to $100 per day, it will change your life. Not because of what you can buy, but because you have finally proven to yourself that you can make money online. You'll realize that this does work. And when that happens, it becomes very easy to scale your income to $200 per day, $300 per day, and beyond. So if you're tired of all the hype and methods out there that promise you the world, but leave you with little in return, this is for you. You'll get a step-by-step PDF training guide and over-the-shoulder video training that makes it copy and paste easy to make money with this method. Just inside, you'll be able to make $80 to $100 per day, and it's pretty simple and extremely powerful. A few things covered in the training are that you'll discover how to get started right now, even if you're a complete newbie and you've never made a penny before online. We'll reveal the simple, free online software tool that makes this method work so well, and how to use it to get results fast. You'll get the exact steps you must take to make $80 to $100 every single day with just 30 minutes or less of simple work each day. And the best part is, when you do this the way we show you, you'll be able to wake up each day to money that you made while you were sleeping. We'll even show you how to scale this up to make even more money. This won't get saturated, you don't need a budget for traffic, and you really can make money right away using this method. Initially, we thought about putting a $47 price tag on this training because you would be able to quickly make that money back and then some with this simple method. But my goal here is to give you a simple method that works for anyone that follows it at a price that anyone can afford. To get started, all you have to do is click the button below. And to make this really easy, we're going to throw in a few fast action bonuses for free if you grab this right away. And to make this a total no-brainer, you'll get a full 30 days to test drive for no risk. If for any reason this isn't for you, simply send us an email and we'll refund your money. No questions asked. We're willing to take on 100% of the risk because I know you'll be happy with this brand new, easy method for making $80 to $100 per day. But I have to warn you, the price is going to go up if you come back tomorrow or even later today. You'll end up paying more money for access to this training. So don't wait. There's no risk, and you can get started within minutes of getting your hands on this. Click the button below right now for instant access